All right, so here's a quick look at this Slim wallet. Now, I really like this wallet, and I just wanna say that the brand did send this to me to get my honest thoughts on it. I wanna go through a couple of things here that I think you should know before deciding if this is the right wallet for you. So first off, let's talk about the overall design. You can see that this is a single fold, so it's just gonna fold open and close like that. It's got a magnetic piece. Then right here, this is where your cards are gonna be. So you're gonna pop that open and you can see your cards will pop out in a staggered fashion. You could fit about 6 to 8 cards in here. If it's gonna be regular credit cards with the embossed numbers, you could fit about 6. If it's just Slim credit cards that don't have embossed numbers, then you could fit about 8 cards in here. You've got a couple slots for easy access, one right here, 2 right here, and then you've got another one right there on the inside. Plus you've got your ID slot, so this is just gonna pop up and open your ID right there. Then on the inside, this is gonna be where you can hold your cash. I would say about 10 bills of cash would be good in here to keep it still kind of slim. But overall, I absolutely love this wallet. I think it's an amazing little wallet that looks great, feels great, and isn't too bulky. So if you're looking for a new wallet or maybe a gift for someone, then I would definitely recommend picking this up.